Remote CONNECTIONACCO of DING for the video connection mode, remote connection, and let the other side see your measurement data. Three kinds of multimeters can be connected at the same time for measurements. Product ACCESSORIESMULTIMETER/inbox/instruction manual/watch pen/temperature line. The resistance measurement can be made by touching both sides of the common resistance with a stylus. The buzzer can make a drop-by-drop sound. The capacitance measurement can be made by touching both sides with a stylus. Temperature NEASURENENTIT is okay to measure the article with electric couple contact. AC current measurement displayed. DC current measurement displayed. Alarm THRESHOODSET according to the video steps. Alarm will be sounded if the value exceeds AC voltage/0 wire NEASURENENTINSET. The watch pen into the hole and make an alarm sound to indicate that the threshold value is exceeded. NCV non-contact induction buzzer sound when voltage is sensed. Hertz/Hertz percentage MEASURENENTHOD, the multimeter close to the socket to measure the Hertz value. Double-click the phone screen to zoom in on TH. In measurement value.